Let's talk quickly about how to draw bricks. Bricks are actually quite easy to draw. First, you need to draw a series of X plus diamonds on top of one another. Once you feel that you have enough lines, you'll be able to draw the bricks quite easily. The area between the bricks that runs horizontally are located right here, using the horizontal lines which are created automatically by the X plus diamond configuration. Once we have those done, then it's just a simple matter of drawing the verticals. So let's get started with that. We go to the first mark in, and we do that. Then we skip the second, then we darken in the third, then we skip the fourth, and on and on and on. Now, you'll notice that over here I have a brick, and here I have another brick, and here I have another brick, and here I have the last brick. Now I simply go on to the next line, and I take a look at this area right here, and that is now going to be left alone while I drop down and put a vertical there, there, and there. I'm darkening these so that you can see the edges more clearly. On your paper, you would not go over and over again. And then, of course, we could erase this area. On the iPad, this becomes problematic, so I'm not going to continue doing this with erasing. Now I go back and do every other one, and then I go back and do every other one, and finally I go to my last spot, my last line, and I put those in here. And now if I color in some of these bricks, which you shouldn't do, you can see that the bricks are actually winding up on top of one another in a staggered fashion. So now you can see that I've filled in all of the bricks so that it's easy to see how I've staggered them. If you take a look at the diagram on the right, I've already started on the right with stopping 3 bricks. Assuming that we had X plus diamond in place here, I would now do every other, and then every other, and then every other. Oops, you notice I did something wrong here, and that's how you can check yourself. You can see that over here I've created 2 that are right next to one another, so that is obviously wrong. We need to erase, and we need to put them in correctly. So let me do that for you so that you can see what it looks like. Every other one. I should have put them in here so that they look like that. And there we have our bricks. Once again, 1, skip, 1, skip, 1. Next one over, skip, 1, skip, 1, skip. Next one over, 1, skip, 1, skip, 1. And finally, skip, 1, skip, 1. And there you have it, bricks. Go practice, and you'll see this is an easy way to create nice textures.